Tell me.
What's your name?
Millie?
Nothing.
Is it Millie?
Nothing.
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 It has no name?
She has no names.
Do your teeth hurt? You drooling.
I've been drooling at the gym floor.
You were drooling on the gym floor?
Yes.
Why did you lay on the gym floor today? How come you didn't want to run around?
Do I run around in this house?
Sometimes.
Do I run around in this house?
Sometimes. Why are you laying on your belly right now? Do we need to go to the doctor?
I don't need to go to the doctor.
Well, can you tell Mommy why you're laying on your tummy?
I can't.
You can't what?
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me?
No, I can't tell you that.
Why?
Because I'm sleeping right now.
You're sleeping right now?
Yes,
Yeah?
I can tell you in a minute.
You can tell me in a minute?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I'll be ready for you to tell me. I'll sit right here and wait for you to tell me why you're laying on the floor. Hey, Santa.
Now I can.
You can tell me?
Yes.
Oh, why are you laying on the floor?
Because why?
Because why?
Because why?
Because you don't feel good?
I do.
You feel good?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Because it's fun?
It's fun to feel good.
Yeah. Does your tummy hurt?
No, it feels good.
Why are your hands like this? Why are you doing that?
I'm not doing that anymore.
Oh, okay. Do you need to poop?
I don't need
Do you want to take a bath?
No. Not a shower.
No? Do you want to take a bath?
No bath.
No bath? Do you want to snuggle me?
I like it.
You can't snuggle?
No, yes.
No, yes?
Yes, no.
Okay. Do you want some comfortable pants?